So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to charge this watch with your phone. So this is very simple. Most Samsung phones allow you to charge your watch. Okay, so with the cable that comes in the box, let's say you forgot to charge it at home, you can always use your phone. So plug the Type-C end of the cable into the Type-C port of your phone. And then now you can just place the watch on the charger and it should start charging. So it's currently drawing power from the phone and charging your watch. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do it. Now comparing the size of the battery in the watch and on the phone, then your phone will be able to charge your watch many times over without any problem or without draining too much of the phone's battery. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.